In today's video, I would like to show you how much money you can make on YouTube with a small specialized channel. People frequently ask me why am I doing it, and the answer is very simple. It's a lot of fun. It's my new hobby. And it happens to be MSK videos that I'm producing because I'm good at it. I could also make videos about other hobbies or interests that I have, such as the Thermomix cooking or Dota 2 or even painting miniatures. But let me assure you, I'm not good at either of them. So recently I had a lot of discussions with colleagues, doctors and other intelligent people, and it's very interesting to realize how little people know about YouTube and how it actually works. Now let me just show you here how much money I have made out of YouTube so far. $0. Okay. The way you make money on YouTube is if you put commercials before or during your videos. And you can only do it once you reach the 1000 subscriber mark, and as you can see, I'm currently sitting at 477 subscribers. Once you get to 1000, you can then click in your settings the monetization button, and then you are able to make money from your videos. But in order to make a lot of money, you need to have a lot of views. And currently I'm averaging about 100 views a day, and you can see with the current stats that I'm generating, I would make about 3 pence a day with a estimated monthly earnings of $1 to $2, which would make up to $20 a year. So it's not a very good return on investment if you would count the many hours that I'm putting into these videos. Now, besides YouTube, there are other possibilities to make money out of something like this. And you can see here a screenshot from my Patreon homepage. And you can see I have currently 5 patrons, and each of them is paying me $2 a month. And then there is a deduction by the Patreon company. That's why it's only $8 a month. So I would be able to hide this information here, and some people do it. But I want to stay very open about how much money I'm making out of it, because I don't have to hide anything, and it's an experiment for me as well, so I don't bother. Basically, Patreon is a way for smaller creators to make money and to be independent from YouTube, because the ad revenue is not very consistent. And here on the Patreon homepage I can post exclusive content, videos, articles and so on. I'm currently doing 1 video a month for my patrons only, and then there are some polls. They can vote for content for me to produce and so on. So if you haven't seen already, go check it out. And also it's very motivating. I still remember the feeling I got the first Patreon to pay me $2, although it's just $2. It's amazing. They keep me motivated, and it's a lot of fun having this tiny little community there. So this is another way to make money out of it, and you can see here how it all started. I started creating my videos in February 2019, having my first Patreon and the second one joining me in March, and then it kept this way for quite some time, and only recently it started to grow. So currently sitting at 5 patrons here. Again, it's not a lot of money, and this is the total balance that my Patreon page has generated for me so far. It's $34. And also I frequently talk about my book, and also the link to the Amazon shop where you can buy it is in every description of my videos, and that is basically the most successful way to make money for me out of this endeavor. And you can see here it's pretty cheap. It's $19 if you have the printed version, or only $10 if you have the ebook. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, it's even free for you to read. So the reason I wrote this book is because I wanted to see how self-publishing works. I wanted to get the experience and being able to create something physical, and that's the result out of it. And because I'm quite a fast reader, in my opinion, I thought that I could teach other people too, with secrets that I gathered and stuff that I think is key in order to increase reporting speed. And instead of making a video, I figured let's write a book. And you can see that so far, I think that's the total number. So it has been published somewhere in June, and so far I have sold 44 copies of the book. 5 of them I have bought myself as little presents for other people. So 39 copies sold so far. That's ebooks and paperbacks. In case you are one of them who bought my book, thank you very much, and do me a favor and write an honest review on Amazon. That would be very much appreciated. As I mentioned, if you have Kindle Unlimited, then you can read basically a lot of books for free, and in that scenario I can see how many pages have been read with Kindle Unlimited, and you can see here at what day how many pages have been read, and then in the end you get paid per page read by these peoples, by Amazon. So this is in addition to the copies sold here. And the Amazon self-publishing homepage has a royalties estimator, and you can see here in the month of August I made about $100 with my book. And you can also see in which countries the books were bought. This is for the month of August, and you can see the most books have been sold in the United States, 1 or 2 in Germany, then there was an ebook sold or more than 1 in India, and then Japan. You can see, although the video channel itself is not generating money on YouTube, I still make a little bit money with Patreon and the book that I'm selling on Amazon. And this video was kind of a off-topic video, but since I was asked a lot this question, I figured maybe you were interested in stuff like this as well. Comment below if you think that was an interesting video, and if you would like to see like another video like in 1 year's time or something like that. And with that, I'd like to close and see you next time.